Hi, I'm John with Bauer Products. I'm here to tell you all you need to know about installing your Bauer EM Bluetooth handle. There's a QR code on the back of the handle. Scan it with the camera app on your device for access to more helpful videos on the Bauer Products website. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is put the outside of the handle on the outside of the door. To do that, I hold it diagonally and insert the pins through the opening and then through the holes in the door, and then pull the back end of the handle flush with the door. Take your round-headed screws and secure the handle to the door. The next step is to put the inside of the handle on the inside of the door. To do that, there are a few things to keep in mind. The first is to make sure that the deadbolt handle has the two red dots lined up, that this handle for the plunger is closed or flush with the handle when you put it on. And the next is you have to connect the wire. Now the wire is easy, you plug it in right here, but after you do it and before you put the handle up against the door, you need to tuck the excess cable under this piece of metal so that it gets away and gets out of the way and it doesn't get pinched. So the first thing to do is to connect the cable. As you get the handle closed, you can just kind of nudge that under there. Make sure the red dots are lined up and put it on. Then use these countersink screws and connect them in opposite corners. The last thing you need to do is install the strike plate that came with your Bauer EM. Now this rounded part here is designed for the door plunger to strike it as it hits the door frame. So make sure it's installed like this with the rounded part to the outside of your motorhome and facing your door. Now every motorhome has a different way of getting this to the inside of the frame. But you need, as you take out your existing strike plate, put the Bauer EM strike plate in its place and then screw it in. After you've installed the handle, make sure it closes properly and the deadbolt can be engaged using the inside knob. Bauer Products includes 4 Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries with your Bauer keyless handle. We highly recommend replacing your batteries with Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries. Thank you for watching this instructional video. Check out our website at bauerproducts.com for more videos.